Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion notes aesthetic. We'll dive into customizing your workspace, enhancing visual appeal, and organizing content beautifully. You'll learn to apply consistent design principles to create a cohesive and engaging environment. Get ready to transform your Notion pages into visually stunning and highly functional spaces. Let's make your notes truly shine with simple, effective aesthetic choices. A well-structured layout is fundamental for aesthetic Notion notes. Start by using columns to arrange content side by side, which creates a balanced look. Nested pages help organize complex information without cluttering your main view. Incorporate toggle lists to hide detailed content until needed, and use callout blocks to highlight important sections, adding visual interest and hierarchy to your pages. To truly make your Notion notes pop, leverage visual elements. Personalize each page with unique icons and captivating cover images that reflect its content or theme. Experiment with Notion's color options to change text colors or highlight blocks, creating visual cues and a vibrant feel. You can also embed images, videos, or even widgets to make your pages more dynamic and engaging. The secret to a truly aesthetic Notion workspace lies in consistency. Select a cohesive color palette and apply it thoughtfully throughout your pages. Choose a unified style for your icons to ensure a polished and professional appearance. Finally, create and utilize custom templates for different types of notes or projects. This ensures a consistent aesthetic and saves you time, making your Notion experience both beautiful and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.